your amplifiers at?
In the bed.
Okay. Nice. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Oh wow, you got a whole dash working here. Nice. I'm gonna open it real quick. Oh, there we go. I'll open it so I can see kind of. Oh wow, okay. So you have like a 6.5 order is what they call it?
Yep.
Let me see. That looks good. Did you build this?
Yeah.
Nice job.
Backyard build.
Backyard, okay.
I still got to do PVC around the edge, around it.
Did you open up the port kind of to see?
Yeah. It was closed in. Opened it up.
Yeah. Got it. So what is your name and what else in here equipment-wise?
My name's Dwayne. I've got 415 American base XFLs in a 6.5 order.
Okay.
2 Wolfram C2400s on the base, not strapped.
Okay.
Alpine V12. It does better with the window.
I know, I'm about to open it. I'm about to shut it. I'm just trying to get on.
It does better with the door open.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So keep the door open, then is what you're saying. Okay. There we go.
I got Alpine V12 on mids and highs.
Nice. This is a solid piece of metal. Wow.
It's a channel aluminum. It's on an inch in here. It's hollow.
Oh, okay. Sweet. What's your bandwidth like on this? You don't know? It's all good.
Well, it's got 2 layers of 1/2-inch perch on the roof.
Yeah. It's a lot of work you done too. I could tell. You did good.
You might have popped off.
Yeah, that came off. There we go. I was trying to fix it for you.
It's all good, bro.
Nice. Have you tried mounting these regular? Or are they not able to? Or
I can mount them regular, but they sound a lot better like that.
They do? Okay. Got it.
I got you on Facebook.
Okay. Where's your name? Or not your amplifiers at?
In the bed.
Okay. Okay. Oh wow. So you're able to have everything back here in your system up there. Got it. Got it.
Got a 96 amp hour.
96 amp hours. Okay. Nice fan. It's hot. Yeah, you probably want to put that back down. Looks good though, man. I like it. Appreciate you showing me. So this door opens better. Yeah. Okay, I'll open it. to see how the bandwidth changes, opening the doors, lowering the windows with this type of box layout you did.
Yeah,
So there's so much work to improve to make it tune right.
Yeah.
So
Well, it's got 2 layers of 1/2-inch birch on the roof.
yeah. It's a lot of work you done too. I could tell. You did good. You're doing a good job, man.
Appreciate it.
I like it. I appreciate it. And you got to let me hear different bandwidths with different things. I like it. Well, you have a good day. What was your name?
Dwayne.
Dwayne. Okay. Dwayne.
I got you on Facebook.
Okay.